Still spending hours reading PDFs or writing video scripts? What if you could upload a PDF and turn it into a complete explainer video in just a few clicks? Today, I'll show you how to use NotebookLM's Video Overview feature to do exactly that. This is great for learning, presentations, or even creating content faster. Let's get started. First, open NotebookLM and create a new notebook. Now upload the PDF or document you want to turn into a video. It can be a short article, a research paper, meeting notes, or even a long report. NotebookLM will analyze the entire document for you. Once your file is uploaded, look for the Studio panel. Then click on Video Overview. This will open the customization settings. First, choose the format. You can select Explainer if you want a detailed overview, or choose Brief if you want a short summary with the main points. Next, choose your language. After that, select a visual style. You can let AI choose automatically or pick from styles like whiteboard, kawaii, anime, and more. You can even choose custom and describe exactly how you want the video to look. Now scroll down to the focus section. This is where you tell the AI what to focus on. For example, you can tell it who the audience is, what the goal of the video is, or which points are most important. Once everything looks good, click Generate. NotebookLM will now start creating your video. This may take a few moments. Once it's ready, you can watch the video, check if everything looks good, and make sure it covers the points you wanted. If you're happy with the result, simply click Download. And that's it. Your AI-generated explainer video is ready. Seriously, just look at the quality of this output. It's genuinely amazing. The structure, the visuals, and the narrative flow are spot on. A human video editor would usually spend hours researching, writing, and animating this from scratch. With NotebookLM, you are getting that level of production in just a fraction of time. It's a total game changer for your workflow. So that's how you can turn a PDF or document into a complete explainer video using NotebookLM. It can save you a lot of time, especially if you regularly work with long documents or complex topics. Now tell me in the comments, what is the first document you would turn into a video? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.